how's it going? So we're gonna get out onto Newburgh Lake. I think I made a video about that a long time ago. It's probably not even active on my channel anymore because I think it was when I had crappy quality and with like production, and I just was recording with my phone, which should have been good, but I just messed everything up. So yeah, we're gonna go onto Newburgh Lake. Hopefully it doesn't rain. It is supposed to rain at 1 o'clock today, so it should be well after when we're out here. And yeah, let's see what we can see. Hopefully we get something besides, you know, some geese. And in the water, up onto the water. That is a dam over there. I am getting the right spot in my camera. We are not going over there. It's a hydroelectric dam. People have died. Multiple people have died getting sucked into there. So we stay away. We stay away from those guys as well, because they are mean. It's a nice day outside. Only a few little sprinkles of rain so far, so seems good enough to get out in the water. I think it's like 50 degrees right now, so I think it feels like temperature's a little colder than that, but that looks like litter on the water. Just kidding, it's a trap. A kangaroo is gonna get me. Good thing we're not in Australia. And trash. First piece of trash for the day. Ooh, a little close to shore. It's a little shallow here. Here's some mallards over here. Handsome little guys. Oh, and a little female. I wonder if they're battling it out, trying to gain her affection. Oh, that one flew away. I guess I chose for them. Sorry. The strongest survive. Alright, so like I said, we're on Newburgh Lake. It's not a natural lake, it's a man-made lake. It was created in 1934 by a dam project led by Henry Ford, so they could build another plant over here. It's 105 acres, so it's a pretty decent sized lake. Hello, bridge. This lake at one point was so toxic nothing would live in it. About, I think it was 20 years ago now, maybe more than that, they dredged the lake, got rid of all the toxic sludge on the bottom. It is still not great. It's not a swimming lake by any means. I don't think it's a motorized lake either. I don't think any motorized boats can be on here. But it is, they cleaned up all the toxic sludge, you know, as part of the Rouge River cleanup. And well, there's a healthy amount of fish that live here now. Oh, the water's a little low right here. I'm about to scrape the bottom with the sand. Yeah. Before the dam was built, I think Henry Ford purchased the property back in the 20s. I know before that it was home to a cider mill, and it was operated until I think 1870. And I did have to look it up while I was off camera because I wasn't positive, but it was actually almost 30 years ago that they dredged the lake. And I was looking, it was 550,000 tons of sediment and toxic sludge that they removed. Absolutely crazy. It's amazing what it is amazing what the destruction we've caused in this environment. But we are on the right path now. So there is a swan out here. I believe those are called mute swans, and apparently they are invasive. A little white dot that you can see all the way over there. They were brought here as decorative birds from the Eurasia area of the world. And well, as most things turn out, they're invasive and they kind of kick out local wildlife. Surprise, swans are aggressive and mean. No way! It's another overcast day, so don't have to really worry about sunburns and all that, which is convenient to me. But I still have my sunblock I found last year, the 100 SPF water resistant sunblock. I think it was a mineral based sunblock. I still have it in my backpack when it's in the trash I found in the river. Sometimes trash is another man's treasure. I wasn't near you. God, they're dramatic. Okay, that one was a little close for. So I was looking into the, looking down in the water, and the shallow areas over here, you can see the different lily pads starting to grow up from the sediment. So it truly is spring. It's a cute little alcove. Is this the same area I just went around? It wasn't an alcove? Was it an alcove? Great. Oh, it is an alcove, but technically the water is connected by the drainage pipe over here. Well, I lost it off camera, but the water's connected. Not that I can access it. Is that a Home Depot bucket? That's about to be mine. Well, I got it. After getting all the dirt and sediment out of it, I got it. Got a new trash bucket. Seriously though, take your trash with you. It gunks up the rivers, it makes fish sick, it makes birds sick, it makes animals sick. Just stop littering. I just tried picking up a crawdad, crayfish, whatever you want to call it. It pinched my glove. My glove is wet. Robert, my glove is wet. It's pissing me off. Is that a turtle? Is that a dead turtle? It is a dead turtle. So, as sad as things may be, all things have a lifespan, even the turtles, but they do leave behind a really cool shell. So birds. It's been an interesting trip so far. Let's see what else we may find. Let's go near the drainage pipe over here. There's always something good over there. Usually trash though. Hiya, Georgie. Alright, this stinks. So we are nearing the end of the lake. It was peaceful today. Not a whole lot to see besides a few mallards and some one swan and the dead turtles. But it was peaceful. Cleaned up some trash. So all in all, I think it's a good day out here. So after checking the weather, I am getting out of the water and going home for the day because it's going to kind of storm. So thank you for watching, liking, hopefully, subscribing, again, hopefully. And yeah, catch you next time. And new videos every Sunday. Or I try to do noon. Sometimes it can't happen.